just offers a really great opportunity to draw a lot of attention both at home and abroad and from the rest of the UK to the great sort of talent that we have here.
Yeah, dwi'n really mwynhau'n gig and dwi'n really mwynhau'n Cassie'n mor talented a mae'r location actually really cool and really wahanol.
I'll be raving about it to everyone I know, including my English-speaking friends as well.
I'd really recommend Welsh language music to other people. I think it opens a new door to different culture or, and to enjoy different types of music.
A gig Dydd Miwsig Cymru fi'n rili dda gobeithio, fi'n meddwl. Oedd e'n neis perfformio mewn canolfan siopa sef wedi gwneud hwnna o blaen, a mae fe jyst yn neis gallu perfformio yn Gymraeg.
Yeah, walking past and seeing her sing and his singing the Welsh language is something you don't see every day, and it's kind of refreshing as well.
Mae Dydd Miwsig Cymru yn rhywbeth rili bwysig ar hyn o bryd i lledaenu ymwybyddiaeth o gerddoriaeth yn y Gymraeg. Mae slow bach, mae lot o bobl yn dod yn ymwybodol o cerddoriaeth yn y Gymraeg. Tu hwnt i Gymru hefyd, ond mae'n bwysig bod ni'n helpu pwysio hynna ymlaen.
Living in Liverpool, I go to Wales a lot, so I'm just really glad that it's here in Liverpool on our doorstep.